Hello, everyone. So a lot of you have had troubles creating your WordPress website. So I decided to just create a video and show you exactly what I'm asking for and showing you how to do it. And if you can do this with this video, there's lots of videos out on the internet. All you have to do is Google create WordPress websites. You can do that on your own. That's how I learned. I'm self-taught. I learned from watching a lot of YouTube videos, both from programming to creating WordPress websites. I like WordPress because it's very flexible and it allows you to do so much. I use WordPress in my businesses, and I mean, it does take more learning than like a Wix or other type of website builders, but this one gives you full access to code, to you name it. Although the free version is limited, the paid version is what I'm talking about. But for the purposes of this video and this lesson and assignment, we're just going to create a very simple, basic website with a home page and 2 pages for summer activities. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen. There it is. And so the assignment that I gave last week was very basic. I mean, I just wanted you guys to dig in and actually interact and create a WordPress website. You have to go to WordPress.com. There is a WordPress.org, but I'm not going to get into what that is and how to do all that. It's related, but I want you to go to WordPress.com, use your username and email from school. I would just go ahead and use the same password you use. And I'm just giving you instructions here, if you're following along on the screen, on how to actually get your email if you don't know it. Because it's going to send you, once you set up your account, it's going to send you an email and you need to activate it. That's very important. All right, so I'm just going through this. You guys should have already done all of this, but you go to WordPress. I've already created my account, so I'm not going to go into it. That's just something, if you're having trouble creating a WordPress account, then YouTube how to create a WordPress.com account. It's very, you guys have created lots of accounts and it's self-explanatory, but if you are having trouble, catch me on my, right here, during my conference periods, virtual conference periods, Mondays, Wednesdays, 1 through 2 p.m., Fridays, 11 to 12. All right, back to the assignment. You have to create it. You have to activate it, and then choose a theme. All right, so here I just put choose a theme, any theme, because you're going to see different themes. Publish your first post by going to the, okay, so I'm going to go into WordPress. All right, this is what you'll see when you first log in. All right, under posts, this is what I meant. You click on posts. See, I already have stuff in here. But when I say publish your first post, you just click on add new, right, under posts, and then look at the instructions. It says publish your first post, my site. I just did this. It was so easy to do. Click on WP add. Okay, so I'm just going to follow the directions that I had. Let's see, I'm going to close this out. I'm actually telling you guys to go down to WP admin, which is down here. But as you just saw, I created a post right here, which you can do. Let me do the WP admin, because this gives you more functionality. It allows you to do so much more with your website. Look at this. I mean, you want to be a web designer, you're going to learn all of this, and it's awesome. It gives you so much. Anyway, so I asked you guys to go this route. although you could have gone that route that I did before. So posts, you could add new, or you can just click on it. And then up here, add new. And then what did I say? All right. It said post, click on add new, create a post that says hello world. Well, that's easy. Hello world. And then, you know what? I'm just going to copy and paste it in the text. Okay, no. Hello world, create the post, and then click on my site, view site, and marvel at your assignment. Copy and paste website link. So over here, what you have to do is publish. See, I'm going to save. Right here it is. It's hiding right there. Publish. Right. Once you publish it, it's basically it's on the internet. It's in public. People can see it. Anybody on the internet. All right. And then I'm going to go to my site. And I'm going to view my site right here. And this is what I say about marvel at your work. Now look, uh-oh, what is this? I have a home page. Okay. And they do change WordPress a lot. So it's, you have to, let me see, I'm going to go under posts. And then there's my hello world. I'm going to click over here. Let's see if this, there we go, view. There it is. Check that out. So WordPress, it takes getting used to, and then visit site. Let's see what happens. I think it's, let's see what it does. Okay, if you visit site, and then your URL is up here. But like I was saying, there's a lot to learn with WordPress. I'm just giving you just a quick little introduction to WordPress. All right, so that was basically the first assignment, is just to create the website, get used to it, create a post that says hello world, and then view your site. The next thing, all right, is for you to go back in there, but this time I want you to change your theme to this Radcliffe 2 by clicking on themes in my site. All right, and then, so first thing I would do, whoops, let's see, I'm going to go to, I have to view assignment, and then I'm going to do that, copy, and I'm going to go, let's see. See over here, I don't see anything that says themes, although I think if you click on design, oh look, themes, you could get to it. So you can do it this way. All right, and then what you would do is you would search for that Radcliffe thing that I said. See, if I can't find it, I don't even know if this version, yeah, this one doesn't let me search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to WP admin. I'm more comfortable using WP admin because it gives you a lot more, see, themes, a lot more options on customizing. So see here, there's a search. So I'm going to paste, hit enter. Hey, there it is. So I'm going to activate it. Activate. So what you're doing is you're taking this theme and you're making it your own. Right. Let's see. Thanks for choosing Radcliffe by this person. Customize your site. I'm just going to click X. So that's what I wanted you to do. Let's see. Going back over here. There. Now view your site. So now I'm going to go over here to my site. I'm going to hit refresh because you can do that. See how it changed a little bit? And that's what happens when you change out themes. All right, now going back to my instructions, click on my site at the top left and click on pages, click on about. All right, so you're gonna go over here, either one of these. This I'm gonna use as my actual site. So I'm gonna be refreshing when I make changes. I usually do this when I'm designing websites or updating websites. So what did it say? Pages. And then it says add new. What was that? About. Okay. About. I'm just going to copy the word. Change the information to have your name and class period. Oh, so if there was an about page, it usually comes with an about page. You would change it. Right now I'm creating an about page, but it's the same premise. You click on that about, change it up, or create it if it doesn't have it, but you're probably going to have it. Okay, and it says your name, class period, then click on update on the right-hand corner. All right, so I'm going to go here, about. Let's see, here it goes. And then I'm going to put, for you, you would put your class period. All right, then I'm going to publish. Okay. And then over here, update. Let's see, pages, about, information, have your class period, and click update. All right, click on the close, left, pages, add new page. Click on a title, home page. Okay, and then we're going to create a home page. Now, one thing I just noticed here is I didn't put to publish it, but go ahead and publish it now. We're just going to finish everything out all in this one video. Click on the title, click on home. Okay, so I just did that, right? I was here and I published it. Oh, the reason I clicked, because it already your website, your WordPress website, it comes with an about page. It should come with it. That's why I said update. Mine was different because mine, when you create a web page, you need to publish it. With WordPress, it comes with it, so you just update it, right? All right, so from here, I'm going to go, well, I'm going to follow these instructions. So pages, add a new page, and then we're going to create a home page. All right, that's what I have on here. Pages, click add a new page, and then click on the title. We're going to make it home page. All right, so I'm going to copy this, go over here, home page, and then what else? And then click on the area below, summer image from the internet. So you would go to the internet, copy and paste or download, save this for educational purposes. I advise that you choose a summer image from a public domain website. All right. Now I've already created. I'm just going to click on all pages. I'm going to leave. Look, front page, draft. I've already created my home page. And that's the summer image that I found. All right. So you guys, this is the one that I was creating. But basically, I just put home page there. And then here, I'm going to click on add media. And then I already have an image. Look, I can select this one. And then insert into page. Hey, there it is. And then I can publish this one. So now I have two home pages. All right. This one, I'm going to change. I'm going to leave it. All right. So all pages. So I have 2 pages. But notice that I have front page. Interesting, huh? Well, let's go back to the instructions. Let's see, pages, add new page, home page, summer image, click on publish, visit site, marvel at your work. Okay, well, I'm gonna go over here, right there. I was on this one. Did I publish it? Yeah, I published it. And then, Open up my site. View site. Yeah, so see, I created that other home page, but it's showing that page. So this is probably where a lot of you guys are having trouble. But check this out. If you go over here to pages, look, there's the two. This one I created 3 minutes ago. Preview. Homepage. There it is. This is the new one. If I click on visit site, there it is. So that's how you see that. And that's probably where I lost some of you guys. Okay, and then I just said copy and paste your website link under the submit your assignment. All right, for the next, so that basically takes you through assignment 2. In the end, what you're going to have is a home page and then 2 pages. So here, classwork. So it's right here. Home page with the summer image, which we've done, or you should be doing. Create 2 pages, 2 vacation activities and images. Okay, so let's do that. It's actually easier than you might think. Go to my site, go to page it, whoops, where is it? I'm going to go down to WP admin because again, it gives you more flexibility, but you're always toggling because it opens new pages. All right, we're going to add a new page. Right, so I said what? I said to create 2 pages, 2 vacation activities. Okay, a summer activity is surfing, something I used to do. I still do if I can. Okay, so I've got surfing. Add an image. Well, shoot. One way you could do, you just need to get an image. I'm just going to go surfing public domain. Public domain picture surfing. And look, all you have to do, I found one, this is pretty cool. I'm going to copy, which you guys, I'm sure everybody here knows how to do this. Copy image, and then I'm going to go back over. Paste it like that, and then I'm going to publish. So there's my page. Getting rid of that one. Okay. All right. That's one page, and I published it. So I'm going to add another page. What's another summer activity? Swimming. Okay. Simple enough. Now I'm just going to go over here. I'm in public domain. Swimming. It's a good swimming one. Here we go. I'm just going to grab this one. Copy image and paste. Control V, paste. All right, publish. Okay, I've got my 2 images and my 2 pages. So now I just have to put it all together. Look, if you go to view site, like, okay, well, I just created those pages, but where are they? Okay, this is where this WP admin. So if you are over here on my site, go down to WP admin. All right. Once you're in WP admin, you need to go to theme, appearance, customize. Now this is a whole other learning in WordPress. All right, so I'm opening you up to a whole other avenue, a whole other world in WordPress. This is the design section of WordPress. The other one you could think of as like the meat and potatoes of it, but then this is the design. What's it going to look like? What are people going to be able to see? That's why when you go here, like I created those pages, but where are they, right? Okay, well, let's do that. It's not that bad. Okay, so here, site identity. Look, you could put, so I'm going to put 2020. Look, there goes site identity. So that's what's going to appear. See how that? Once I save changes, and then I go back to my website and I refresh it, see, it changed. Pretty cool, huh? The best summer yet. All right, and then go back. That's my site identity. So for you, go ahead and put something, summer 2020, whatever you like. I just want to show you how this thing works. Contact info. Well, I put this information here, right? But I mean, you don't have to. Style, colors, fonts, menus. Okay, so here, menus. You want to click on menu, and then you'll see this main menu. Right, you see how I only have home? Well, I'm going to add items. Okay, pages. Remember that swimming page I created? I'm going to add that, and I'm going to add that. Okay. Now, I had that home page. There's that other home page. So now I've got, it's getting confusing, right? Because I have these different home pages. Okay, now let's go see what happened. So over here, you can see that it added those links. I'm going to save changes for now. All right, look, and I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to hit refresh. And look, there they are. So now I can go to my swimming page, my surfing page, my home page, and then what's this other home? Oh, that's that original one I was showing you guys. So how do I fix this? Well, first I want to see what the heck's going on. This looks the same as this, so I have it twice, but I want to get rid of those and only keep that one, the one that I created. All right, you guys probably, I'm not sure what you see on your screen, but you might have a home page or a posts page, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. All right, what you have to do is get out of this main menu and then get out of that. Go back to where you have that big list of different options. Okay, home page settings. Here it is. Click on a static page, all right? Because you have the option of your latest posts or a static page. Click on a static page. What that means is that you don't want to, because on WordPress you can also do posts like that very first thing on Hello World. You could add different things. There's so much to WordPress, but I want you to click on a static page, and then you see the two different home pages. Okay, so what do you want your home page to be? Well, let's see, right now it's that. Let's see, if I click on this one, summers are made for header. Oh, look, home page. This is something to it, but there's my home page. I'll get into this in a bit. Okay, so that's going to be my home page right there. All right, post page, I'm going to leave that blank for now, or for this assignment. I'm going to hit save changes. Let's see if anything changes over here. Okay, I'm going to hit refresh. Home page, home page. Look, both of them are home pages. Home page. Okay, well, so I need to go over here. I need to change something up. See, I'm getting out of here. And what I'm looking for is, okay, you see how I have summers are made for having fun? Every theme has its own little customized option. These are called, some of them are called widgets. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this whole summers are made for having fun. You guys can mess with this as much as you want. Got rid of all of that. You see how it disappeared? Buttons, man, there's so much to this. Anyway, I'm saving my changes. If I go back over here, that whole summer, that thing that you saw there, it's gone. All right, just by deleting it. Okay, back over here to appearance, themes, customize. Now I am looking for which page. Where is static? Okay, what I'm looking for is how to get rid of these home pages, and we're done. Menus. Okay. These menus are in order. You see that? So what I want, I only want this one. So I'm just going to get rid of this. Remove. It's gone. This other home page. Remove. Gone. Save changes. Refresh. Look at that. Done. This is all I want for y'all to do. All right. Now you can get fancy and add widgets and add your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok if you're into that, all kinds of stuff where people can get into your social media. But hey, that's for another class. Anyway, it's been a pleasure teaching you guys. Kind of crazy times with this whole COVID thing. I wish you guys the best. If you guys want to chit chat, got my office hours, I'll be online. But there's a whole bunch to learn. You can build businesses off of WordPress. I mean, I have two. Let me show you guys real quick. I built SA Perks. It's 100% delivery. It runs off of this and social media. My wife, we're partners in this. But all of this, I mean, you could, I set it up to where you can buy stuff and it accepts money. I have libraries, documentaries, teaching people about healthy living, and we sell juices here. I have this other one. This is my newest venture. It's called Mercury, rei.com. This one, it's a real estate investing company, and basically we remodel houses, but primarily invest in real estate. You can put photo galleries, house I sold last year, house I remodeled, another house I remodeled, rental house. I mean, I teach, as you guys know, business classes. Website design is part of it because it's all part of marketing, promoting, but not just that, it's e-commerce, it's a business. I mean, knowing WordPress will open doors for you. And that's the reason. Let's see, I'm gonna get out of this. How can I get to my full screen? There it is. And that's why I started off, because I started actually the very first business that I started from scratch was a web designing business, because I knew that if I could if I could master web design, I can create any business, because I knew that this was 9 years ago. I knew that the future would be online, and you could create businesses not easily, because that's what I've learned over the years. Building businesses is not easy. It's a lot of work, but you can create businesses by learning how to design websites. And what I did at the beginning was I got business owners to hire me to do their websites. So as I was learning to create their websites, I was building my own little website business. And when it came time to create other ventures, I already had the skills. I had the tools to make it happen. Instead of having to pay a web designer, because they can be very expensive, you can make good money being a web designer, right? It's like both sides of it. Anyway, you can do something like what I did. I mean, it's very doable. You could do the free stuff, and then you can start paying. I use GoDaddy. Not GoDaddy's a good resource, but there's other. You could go WordPress.com, and you'll have options, but you have to spend some money. Spend money to make money, but it's not a lot. I've shown you guys how to buy domain names, how to do all these different things. So the world is at the palm of your hands. It's up to you to go and take it. It's your responsibility to do it. All right, enough chit chat. I wish you guys luck and good luck.